So I think this is going to be an issue. Pag binomba mo, halos walang play. Kaya nga pala, this is a Honda Giorno. This bike is like hotcake. Everybody wants it. Viral din ang kanyang mga performance upgrades and maraming nag-aabang para dun sa mga parts and accessories nitong motor na to. And today, I'm going to review the suspension. So, first time kong hahawak, first time kong uupo, and I'm going to give you what I feel. And ang purpose natin dyan is so that we can collaborate and better understand this great bike. So, bike's own weight, wala siyang static sag. Pag upo ko sa motor, walang rider sag sa front. So, I think this is going to be an issue and a problem. Pag binomba mo, halos walang play. I think the suspension sa front has been upgraded or baka ganito talaga. I will find out next time na may dumating na ganito dito. Comment mo sa baba guys kung ganito rin yung iyo ha. Dito naman sa likod, malambot and yung balik niya ay very satisfactory naman in my opinion. Balita ko ang ikakabit niya dito ay Race Power R+. Adjustable ang kanyang preload at yung kanyang rebar. Kapag hindi kagandahan ang ating suspension, bukod sa hindi na tayo komportable, hindi pa safe gamitin, at syempre kawawa yung ating motor. So para talagang alaga ang inyong suspension, tara na, free consultation naman dito sa EVMoto. We can assess your bike, we can suggest, recommend yung mga preference mo, tatapatan namin yan with our technical setups na bagay sa every rider. Pilipino man yan or kagaya nung kausap ko kanina, he's from America.